If I followed you around for a week, I wouldn't look at your goals. I wouldn't look at your grades. I'd look at your mind base, because that's what's actually running your life. If you wake up tired, scroll for an hour, study with zero focus, promise to change tomorrow, and repeat, you don't have a motivation problem. You have a weak mind base. And the good news? You can rebuild it in 30 days. Not with hype, not with 5 a.m. ice baths, but with simple psychological upgrades that actually work for student life. Let's rebuild you from the ground up. Part 1. What is your mind base? Your mind base is your mental foundation. It's the beliefs, habits, and standards running in the background. If your mind base says, I work only when I feel like it, I'm bad at focusing, I'll start next week, then no productivity hack will save you. Psychology calls this identity-based behavior. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your identity. So, for 30 days, we're not chasing motivation, we're upgrading identity. Now let's break this into a simple daily structure: morning, afternoon, evening, and the mindset glue that holds it all together. Week 1, reset the foundation. Days 1 to 7. Morning, win the first 30 minutes. Most students lose their mind base before 9 a.m. Alarm rings, snooze, phone, dopamine flood. Your brain starts the day reactive. Here's the rule: no phone for the first 30 minutes. Why? Because dopamine spikes from scrolling reduce focus for hours after. Studies show attention residue stays in your brain long after distraction. Instead, do these 3 things. 1. Make your bed. 2. Drink water. 3. Write one priority for the day. That's it. Small wins create momentum. Momentum builds identity. Identity builds discipline. You're teaching your brain, I move before I consume. That's a new mind base. Afternoon, build focus stamina. Most students say, I can't focus. Truth? You've trained your brain to switch tasks every 30 seconds. Focus is like a muscle, and yours is undertrained. Here's the upgrade: 45-minute deep work block. One task, no switching. Put your phone in another room, not on the table, not face down, another room. Research shows willpower drops when distractions are visible. After 45 minutes, take a 10-minute break. Do 2 to 3 of these per day. At first, it will feel uncomfortable. Good. That discomfort is your brain rewiring. You're not bad at focusing, you're just rebuilding stamina. Evening, protect your future self. Nighttime is where most students destroy momentum. I'll just watch one episode. I'll scroll for 10 minutes. Suddenly, it's 1:30 a.m. and tomorrow starts tired. Your evening rule is to shut down your day intentionally. Take 5 minutes before bed and ask, what did I do well? What's tomorrow's first task? This reduces anxiety and improves sleep quality. Your brain relaxes when it knows there's a plan. And sleep? Sleep is not laziness. It's cognitive repair, memory consolidation, emotional regulation, focus restoration. You cannot upgrade your mind base while sleep deprived. Protect your sleep like it's part of your GPA, because it is. Week 2, remove the hidden saboteurs, days 8 through 14. Now we go deeper. Your environment is shaping you more than motivation ever will. If your desk is messy, if your phone is full of distractions, if your friends joke about grinding, your mind base will stay average. Upgrade your environment. Clean your desk completely. Delete 3 most distracting apps. Follow creators who push growth, not gossip. Behavioral science calls this choice architecture. Make good choices easy. Make bad choices hard. You don't need more willpower. You need fewer temptations. Week 3, raise your standards. Days 15 to 21. Now identity shifts. Stop asking, how do I feel today? Start asking, what would the upgraded version of me do? That one question changes everything. Tired? They still show up. Unmotivated? They still start. Confused? They still try. Confidence doesn't come first. Action creates confidence, and every time you act against your old pattern, your mind base strengthens. You start respecting yourself, and that feeling, it's addictive in the best way. Week 4, lock it in. Days 22 to 30. Now we stabilize. No extreme challenges, no burnout mode. Consistency over intensity. If you miss one day, you do not quit. You never miss twice. This prevents the all-or-nothing trap that destroys students. Perfection is fragile. Consistency is powerful. By day 30, here's what changes. You wake up with direction, you can focus longer, you trust yourself more, you procrastinate less because starting feels normal. Not because life got easier, but because your mind base got stronger. The emotional truth. Listen, you're not lazy, you're not behind, you're not broken. You've just never been taught how to build your mental foundation. Most students try to change their results. Very few upgrade the base. And when you fix the base, everything rises. Grades, confidence, energy, discipline, all of it. Final challenge. For the next 30 days, win your mornings, train your focus, protect your evenings, act like your upgraded self. That's it. No hype, no extreme life makeover, just foundation work. And foundations change everything. If this helped you, subscribe. We're building strong minds here. Share this with a friend who's tired of restarting every Monday. Your 30-day upgrade starts now.